about the main issue court no ejina so based on which Omode strike out a lot of the charges say a defective. This argument they say on the authority of the Ernest Thompson case, no, that defect goes to the root of the issue. In the Abanisana, everything built on it, no, should not stand.
Oyene, Maminka Simicho. You cast a charge sheet. Charge sheet, no, you have mount the charges, and yeah, more brief facts.
Yes.
Yeah, more brief facts. Brief facts, no. I was saying, man would take charge, and I say, the people are do a bomb. And so what you say, the patcho who read the on Tiasia. Who really brief facts, and I won't be the could do a bomb on Tiasia.
But would you also say that lawyer Unim said, and as Thompson case, the Supreme Court was clear, said. Stricto sensu no osha charge sheet kra sa brief fact na ye police for no the count war charge sheet na chi no it is not really to be part of a charge sheet, and that so ofa count na the statement of offense, the particulars of offense no should let you understand there. You don't need to go and read brief fact, and I think that was the holding of the Supreme Court in the Ernest Thompson case.
So what So what TSR and you said the Court of Appeal care make seven or munyaji also TSR so voyage. Minia, I didn't say and I'll be now to Ghana for nation. They are trying so hard. Say, or Mobile I to say court, they jai mameno. I say, what you know, TSR. Sabi Mr. Wanda mini kumano. Me pa chonso fra oba management nansi. What we say fa dey mo we twisi ana me boa. Ade twisi. Obi twisi.
Say trial court take a decision na court of appeal overturn.
It's I but person be sure mo say. Omuntumi po anwe wu ye ni. Ye hu ye kan because new information in na. Obi, the time omote appeal no cry koye. The time omote appeal no koye. The time omote pay extension of time to file their written submission. Sabreno, nani pana ye appeal no mano cry no. Na oni kruimu. The court shouldn't have even entertained it.
The air course one day. Me jitum pa say ye be wien obia benya ne wonti ase say okay ye makotum kasa if not it will be hypocritical and pretentious on the part of NDC I can't say members. Say omo betena ofidie we so na na we diska na asumasi ye be jeli no. But you see adie no well coordinated strategy abenyo we protect Ninkrofo. Because it started from Yenya Penny Opunimu case neighbor Obetis Attorney General say, oh, when you're interested, no, I file nolly prosecute. Now, see case no, you come. Oba, ye no say, ye Jitum says, you combat corruption there. More, did MIC and Kebingum. But where dear, Attorney General, any NDC Abayama who say selective justice and a coso. Omo ma who say e be more Ghanaians than the others. Ne say nintino omo gina emrani mu kra na sikasam ene niema bi anko yefa wo ho no omo ba ye no omo be yi omo firim rather no obi a yen convicting and I say they haven't been charged kra no some crofo no masa do money asakwakosi won so. That is not fair. Eniema ekoso no obi Emoya. Omina yetimu sesia no. Ye gage excession of the populace. Okan wadwina. Nia profile o account and social TikTokers ni ade nyina ye profile wo mo ache say is becoming very pathetic. Adanya I said ye omino freedom of speech no. Ebi mu de yamo mo sa leeway to operate. Ebi mo so de ye be gage omo. And that is exactly what is happening. eti ye betina kromu ha na aban ye oti hɔ yi edi intentia ama a section of the citizens wa abra se nipa no ye NDC media, they don't see anything wrong with the nipa no aye arehosem chama won to me die ya ye ka ho asem yi chama won to me se enye ono ankasa na oko engage in illegal mining because he wasn't caught say oh chama won to me oh ye illegal mining na mum aban si wa property right bia oni sell to me to transfer minerals rights enumpo alande no into jail 20 years maame a watimi atam oman sika edi akwa koma obatampa microfinance na microfinance no ode interest rate ato so no musi we die ye ntimi na maame na nka nkyere omo say oh maslok account ni ntia bia mo fa sika ni ntum na emum rather no mo nyi sika no cash o ma withdraw cash sisa sika gum ahia no obacho na baby a total filling station on ho pano bi ho pa menim se wafa wakoto pano order
da bi o
ayo ene o pe pano ya tako o mu hia maami ya pia sika nyina dia maami baby a sika ne ko ye ebesi ne obi ehunu ene mo si de ko so nyina no onkofa ne huni na bibia animu a ye de asem amanyame ye de asem ama okese yi because e kon ya NDC aban edi nipa bi famu okrom ha no asefim ne mo ya aban ni ya aban obatan bonia ni tirimo den wo yi ne nsuro ni bi egu nchen ena chese wa fa bi chese odwene ho a wonti ase many Fred ye mi hunu aban ya ni tirimo den te sa aban a wo sisi because ade na akwase ye nyina ye Ghana for but aban no edobi chen bi ena why ne yakokan ya asem akere no why ene yesese yakokan ya asem akere no ye ni kamafo ewo baabia sika ye ka ho asem empimonim ene yesi sika na yira nsesem eno nti decision ni say maame no mfa ne hodi a ye de asem be manyame na mum what is good for goose is equally good for the gander eno nti de ye kan say law of equity say yetimi bo obi charge na high court edina sem ewie na ye sentence say nipa no na nipa ne appeal ni overturn the decision of the high court there anie chama won to me die no de ye kan say opro didi a onwam so didi say dinam tamaklo odidi a chama won to me susu e wo so didi na say maame no ya mana nkoda afiase dia ene mo extend this architects no also to our chairman because ye chairman no ono no so de to me na ni kwase bia ode koma obi na ode kokoma no mo ma hwe ne mayi because yaw bankrofo mu and I was buying no share the sense of the public as we speak maybe you maybe hey nankrofo group o hwe nkoma o mu die nyina otimi se obia edi arewo wo nakomam krofo di arewo wo aban ne ho se omanpanyina waba udobi tan bi omanpanyini attorney general udobi tan bi utimi free nkrofo bi nkrofo omu dia before competent court of jurisdiction se mo de mo nsem ne yatwetwam mu nkofie omu a sebi omu nsem kra ye nkanwe ye crucify omu okrom ha ama onam a ya jese ya boni pa bi mo asenua ade na ose mutimi yesa eti lawyer no kreni mesre se ne ekoso no obia ensha ne ho so afutu amde be ma Ghana for no say obia ensha ne ho so emu oya aban na ma yahunu say odobi tan bi enti nya fa ne ye be cheche yensemu bebre because o kire mu a ekosi sen o kire mu a ekosi sen obi emu oya o Ekwanya omode chema untumi fa so. Huh? Mirika tente o chema untumi. Within a year, papa na ya kanashi.
What in Samoa, because the MPP are not particularly happy about the decision of the Court of Appeal, but they think say we know a stage managed idea and a bina shadaye we be akoshe court na echi to free said nam tamaklo. Mojene saying.
Yo, okay, Mimia, Obi, and now you are in Michelle, with you. So, I think, sir, you do and pempen, so I said, you, as in I who say, Adia, you subscribe it, which is the rule of law, no, and yet the rule of men, or the rule based on your wishes and aspirations. Said you, Obi. If I wish is in Kwa, I may wish a bit different from yours.
Yes.
But because near the state of nature, and you know, you copy the friend the rule of law, and it's not there. Now, obviously, Obi say Miniana Nabi, or major election ahead of him, and now, the Brenner would all call for no. So call for vice chair.
Yes, or call for vice chair, yes.
Which means and call for no more call for that way no omodoso pa in the moya de amano. In chi opinioma a bit me amana looking desirable among the delegates of the MPP. But the verdict is that who beside MPP for now, Omo be brady, Omo canon say as national organizer of the party, no. Only the party, no, in a call one of the biggest electoral defeats ever. MPP Amanyaku Asafa since 1996. And you know, and no any the mirror Omo de judge no. And internet said you why is when you own find home measures are steady judgments in order to remain relevant. And yes, sir, Sebi, me and Anabi, or a lawyer need to say me, Unim, say, Sebi, Ubi Befano, as lawyer and ne, no court. No, could you ask money panana at the end of the day, a covasio, court is so ni panon code fiase. Ono na nabi obetu say ni panafo semene judgment na yanyadwi nti ebeko court of appeal na so court of appeal na nyame adom na court of appeal no kasi o sebio decision of the trial judge no yenene yanyadwi a he will take it and move on with his life because that is what is desirable. Sedi nam achono tamaklo in a judgment ekotiano and so on also exercising a right. You know, we say the fundamental principle and then we say appeal is by way of it's a creature of statutes.
Yes.
That's
true.
It's a criminal appeal is a creature of statutes. Statute no hano Emma who can say Obibia there is a criminal conviction against you who can using the appropriate mode to appeal against that decision. A decision has been rendered. A year and no. Said you, your lawyer ni matnase, my share judgment no. I try to see say make me up punchy holes. Judges a judgment no man and I'm struggling. Look, from pages 1, echo do pages 94. Which means who said the justices of the Court of Appeal Oma lay the law bare ma ubibia now step by step Oma provided an outcome. Oma provided the factual matrices and in here almost say as far as we are concerned the judgment of the trial court must not stand. it is within the rights of Minian and Nabi, or pray for first vice or vice to criticize the judgment. That is what democracy is about. But in criticizing the judgment, the issue will be say, what is the merit basis of that criticism? Is there a criticism destitute of merit? Is it a criticism founded on hallucination? Is it a criticism founded on conjecture and speculation? If it is one founded on hallucination, then with respect, that is not how we organize a society. Now, Sebio, my kind there on the Facebook page, my tear snipers of way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see the legal basis of my criticism. And I don't see how he tries to draw the government of President Mahama into this judgment. I'm struggling. Look, Obi, the Attorney General representing the Republic, fiercely fought this appeal. Unfortunately, the Attorney General's submission did not make way. The submissions filed by the Attorney General's office started first by saying, said he didn't even have the right to appeal. I don't know if you've looked at that portion of the judgment.
Mm-hmm. So, Omoma reason because...
So that's where I'm coming.
Okay.
They started by saying, having left the jurisdiction with the permission of the High Court,
yes,
and having failed to attend upon the court, she's denied the opportunity to appeal. Where from that novel legal proposition?
No, but the Court of Appeal corrected that. Say the right to appeal.
That is what I'm saying.
Yes.
Does it look like somebody that did not fight this appeal? This is somebody who even started by saying, the person didn't even have the right to appeal in the first place. Simply because, according to them, she's a fugitive from the law. Not only that, they fought every point of law raised by the appellant in this matter. But the justices of the Court of Appeal, they have been trained with the necessary skill set. Sebio ahami way menye judge da. What does he?
Yes.
Men person men kasi me ye bin so da. Aha. Minya na nabi. Ebi awatuna public tribunal no bi da. Ana obi.
No, not that I know of.
Ebi anso anu atuna himfie so edi asem wo ho no so da.
Maybe.
Between me no. Said your skills are the judgment, me ye be that. Me throughout my life, me ye prosecutor and so that. Criminal defense in my Obi, in my about 13 years of law practice here, my cases, my clients, they have been acquitted on submission of no case. My opening my defense, my clients are called imprisonment, among others.
Yes.
But overall, I have come to there will be outcomes. Sometimes the court may feel very upset. My baby, I'm not pay issue no man na calling me pressure na kakra. It also be court about very excited. But also the disclaimer. There's no business. I don't even know why he brought the government into this conversation.